everyone, welcome back to my channel. Holi, the Hindu festival of colors, is just around the corner. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make two flavors of a popular Indian dessert. We're making Besen Ke Ladoo and coconut ladoo. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our dress coats and let's get baking.
To make the Besen Ke Ladoo, you'll need 1 cup of gram or Besan flour, a 1/4 cup of ghee, a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and optional 1 to 2 tablespoons of roasted chopped nuts, such as cashews, almonds, or pistachios. Heading over to the stove, melt the ghee over low heat. Add the sifted besan to the pan and mix. The mixture will initially form a clump. Continuously stir to loosen the mixture. After about 10 to 15 minutes, the mixture will start to loosen up. Continue to stir, and after 15 minutes, the besan will have a smooth paste consistency. After about 25 to 30 minutes, the paste will have a golden color and a sweet aroma to it. Remove the pan from the stove and transfer it into a separate bowl. Add the cardamom powder to the mixture and mix. Let the besan mixture cool for about 15 minutes, then add in the powdered sugar and optional nuts. Mix with your hands to make a smooth dough. Pinch a tablespoon-sized portion of the dough and roll between the palm of your hands to form a round ladoo. Repeat the process with the remaining dough. Now let's get started on the next flavor. To make the coconut ladoo, you'll need 1 cup of shredded unsweetened coconut, a 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of ghee, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Back over to the stove, heat the pan over medium heat and add in the shredded coconut. Saute for about 30 seconds, continuously stirring. This will help the dried coconut become moist. Add the sweetened condensed milk and ghee to the coconut and mix well. Continue to stir every 2 minutes so that the mixture doesn't stick to the bottom and burn. Stir for about 12 to 15 minutes until the mixture starts drying and reaches a soft dough-like consistency. Remove it from the stove, place into a separate bowl, add the cardamom powder, and mix all together. You can even have the option of dyeing your coconut ladoo. I added some white food coloring to mine. Similar to the Besen Ke Ladoo, pinch a tablespoon-sized portion from the dough and roll between the palm of your hands to form a round ladoo. Finally, coat the ladoo in more shredded coconut. Plate both of your ladoos and top them off with a sprinkle of rose petals. And that's how to make 2 ladoo flavors to celebrate Holi, the festival of colors.
I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. Making both ladoo flavors were very simple to make and they came out wonderful. They're sure to be the hit of your Holi table. If you recreate the Besen Ke Ladoo, coconut ladoo, or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone is staying safe and well. Enjoy your ladoo and happy Holi. Alevera!